Hey there, this is Raj here. Just a quick video to give my views on what's happening with NVIDIA and what's likely to go ahead going forward in the short term. I'm thinking that the head and shoulder pattern is still not invalidated, even though we have gone back up above the neckline today. We need to confirm above that neckline. That has not happened in the past also. I think, let me just look at this candle out here. On 24th of November, we attempted to confirm above this line of this neckline, but we couldn't. We came back down again on 25th of November. This morning, Jenson is saying that NVIDIA GPUs are generation ahead of Google, and that has given a little bit of boost to the stock, but it remains to be seen whether it can clear past the resistance of 183.46 or if it's going to confirm the neckline as a support at around 180.01. But if it closes below 180.01, we are very much in line with our head and shoulder pattern target of 146.58. And I had mentioned earlier, I would look at a target in the range of anywhere between $149 to around $146 or $147. That's the range, I think, where the price target will take us for this head and shoulder pattern. The probability of us reaching here is much higher than the probability of us breaking above at this point of time. If you look at the market sentiment, it is bearish. MACD is also bearish, and momentum is below average. So that's what I'm thinking, and I'd like to hear from you guys what you think about this.